Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be baking with Mohammed Uzair and Mohammed Ishaq, my two babies.
Hi.
So we are going to introduce you guys to Mesmerizing mixes,
Chop chip cookies,
milk tart,
and of course crumpets. But which one are we making today?
chop chip cookies.
Okay, so we're making classic chop chip cookies. You want to get started?
Yes.
You guys want to get
Yes.
yes,
Okay guys, so usually I would use my Kenwood Major Titanium for baking, but this time I'm going to be using the Russell Hobbs mixer, which I just recently bought and I really wanted to try this out. So the boys are going to be using this mixer. Please don't break it.
there's no guarantee.
No, there is guarantees. You're not going to break my new mixer. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so Mohammed Uzair, you are going to open up this mixer. And Ishaq, you are going to tell us about what we need to make this classic classic chop chip cookie mix.
You will need just add butter and eggs. You will need classic chop chip cookie mix, which is this one. And you will need 185 grams butter and 2 extra large eggs beaten.
Okay, so let's get started.
So this is a beater that I was asked to unbox. I'm gonna use it for baking the chocolate cookie.
Wait. Let's show them how you're going to be putting this in, because I think each of the beaters have a different kind of groove. So this one kind of sticks out and you have to push that in order for it to fit in. So the other one as well is different. It has like, it kind of like fits in like a puzzle. Oh, okay. I'm not getting this puzzle right. Okay, there we go. So this is now ready. And let's have a look at the buttons. So this is probably to increase your speed. This is to probably reduce your speed. And this is of course to switch on and off. And this is of course to eject these mixes, right? Okay, so whisks.
Number 2. Melt butter and set aside to cool.
Okay, so who's gonna help me to measure the butter?
Me.
Okay, alright, Ishaq, you can do it. And Uzair will do something else. Okay, I'm gonna use this and we're gonna use this scale, right? So I'm gonna put this on here. You watching what Mama's doing?
Yeah.
Okay. So now I left this butter to soften. So it's a bit of a mess, it's messy, right? So now I'm gonna cut out some of I'm gonna cut out the butter. I'm gonna put this on. You can press that on for me quickly. Yeah. To count to 0. Okay. So now it's on 1 because of the
Tissue.
yeah. It's wax wrap, right? It's the baking paper. So now I'm gonna put this butter on here because we want to get 185 grams, right? So what is that?
106.
Okay, so we need a little bit more. Okay, so I'm gonna put 185, right? So we've got 185 exactly. You put a little bit more because of the wax wrap. I'm gonna use this here. You can go ahead and melt this butter for us. Okay, this is 185 grams.
Number 3. Empty mix into a bowl and make a well in the center. What's a well?
Okay, Uzair and Ishaq. So now we're going to put this mix into the bowl and make a well in the center. I'm going to show you guys how you would make a well in the center, right? Okay, so Uzair, you're going to open up this pack. Yes! Okay, so Uzair, you're going to empty out this mix very slowly because we don't want a shower cloud. Okay, so you can empty that out. Okay, there we go. Alright,
Done.
Can I see it?
Let me make sure. So what are we gonna do with this pack?
Throw it in the thing.
What?
Oh wait, the instructions.
Yeah, how many people have done that? throw away the pack and then try to dig into the bin to get the pack again. I've done that. Okay, Ishaq, so now we are going to make a well in the center. So this is what making a well in the center is. It's just about making a little hole.
Number 4. Pour cooled butter and eggs into the well.
Okay, so there we're going to need the melted butter to pour in here. So you're going to do that, right? Zach, I want you to slowly mix this up, right? So we don't have the butter splashing out everywhere, right? So we're just going to do that very slowly. Do that for me. Hold the bowl. You need to hold the bowl so it doesn't move around, right? Okay, Uzair, can you show us how this mixer works?
Yes. You press the on button. The flashing red light means it's ready. Then you press the plus button to get it started.
Okay, so you can increase the speed one more time. Press the plus button again. Okay, so now we're going to put that into the bowl. Remember to keep it down and not all over the place, right?
Okay.
So you should keep the handle on your left side because that's your left hand, and you mix with the right hand, right? That makes it easy for you to use it.
Number 5. Mix well together until dough is formed.
Who wants to mix it? Maybe I should have made like 2 premixes so then both of you guys can do it. And this is the problem we usually have in the kitchen. Okay, so can you mix the butter and the flour? Let me just add in the eggs and then Ishaq can do the mixing, right? Because he's feeling upset, he's walked away. Right. So we're going to add that in. So let's have a look at what Ishaq is doing. I am getting way too anxious. What is that face? Please don't drop the flour and the butter down and the premix, or
Mommy, it's my naughty face.
Okay, but we don't want that premix all over the floor because then we're not going to have a video to put up. All right. Okay. Are you answering for Ishaq?
I said nothing.
That is not what Ishaq sounds like.
I didn't say anything.
Okay. I'm gonna take over now.
Okay. Number 6. If dough is still crumbly and not coming together, add in another egg.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and make a dough. You need to do this with your hand, or you can use the dough hook. It's forming the dough very nicely, right? And we actually don't need that extra egg. So we're going to go ahead now and make these into little balls. Okay guys, so what's next? The best results, place the dough in the
Fridge for 30 minutes.
and we'll need to break off pieces of the dough to form.
Balls and place on a baking tray.
What will we need to do then?
Flatten it slightly.
And then, Ishaq, can you read that one? We're going to
Leave space between each cookie to allow for spreading.
and then we have to bake for
10 or to 15 minutes. Remove from oven and allow it to cool.
What do we need to do if we need a soft chewy cookie?
We need to bake for shorter time until it's light in color.
What about the crispy cookie?
We need to bake for longer time until it's golden brown.
That was supposed to be Ishaq saying that, but Ishaq is busy looking into the camera.
Wait, one ball.
Do you enjoy this?
Yeah. It feels so smooth.
So can I leave you guys to do this part?
Yes, mommy.
Yeah.
Okay, but can you make the same size balls? Like not
I've made this one too small.
okay, it's fine, but the next one, right?
Junior.
And you.
That one's too big, dude. I think we need to take some from that one and put it onto that one.
Plastic thing.
Are you guys behaving?
No. We're just ruining my perfect ball and not even his perfect ball. And now we both started laughing and.
That's not bad. You guys are taking revenge on each other.
No.
Yes, I
Definitely.
can see it.
How did you see it? Were you peeking?
I can see through the walls.
No, you can't.
All moms have superpowers. So now I want to ask you, how do you think I'm going to flatten the cookies?
Put your hand palm on it and flatten it.
No, baby. I think that's gonna take too long, and also it's kind of gross. Okay. I mean, we have been working with our hands, so it's okay. But a faster way, I'm going to use a clean tray. Are you watching?
Yes.
And we are going to flatten it using the clean tray.
Whoa.
See? It's
Mind
a lot
Mind
faster. Like might
Yes,
stick
put
up.
it like that.
Yeah.
Whoa.
What is stick to the tray?
Yeah, if you feel like it's gonna stick to the tray, then you can put some cook and spray on it. Or spray and cook, sorry. So Ishaq, you can do this press, but don't press too hard. Okay, I said not too hard. Oh my
He's
god.
putting his whole body on
We are
it.
making chocolate cookies, not pancakes and crumpets.
Pancake crumpet. No
Okay.
tart.
And we are definitely not making the mug and bean cookie.
I think these two have earned their cookies, don't you think so? Okay. You think you earned your cookies?
Please. Yes. Say yes, please, in the comments.
In the comments.
Yeah, in the comments.
Do you think they they earned their cookies?
Please.
Okay. What else do we need to ask them to do?
You must like and subscribe.
Wait, I was
Just
supposed
click
to say Darth Vader says like and subscribe. Or I will come to your house.
Are you threatening my viewers?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are going to now bake these for 10 to 15 minutes. So we're going to just pop this into the oven. Just going to check these out to see if these are ready. These look so good. Okay, so I'm going to let these cool down. I'm not going to put them for the full time because the kids want soft and chewy cookies. And I'm going to put the other batch in quickly now. Okay, it's time to taste the cookies. Let's grab one. One, okay? One, not 3 and 4. Okay.
So soft.
Did you even bite that? You did? So, is it really good?
So soft.
So you're giving Mesmerizing Mixes a total thumbs up?
Yes, use it definitely.
Yummy. Okay. Oh my gosh, is this all that's left of the choc chip cookies? We just baked this yesterday.
Please can I have one more? I like it. Uzair had most of it.
This was not even rehearsed.
We made Mesmerizing Mixes crumpets and they're so yummy. Yeah, boy. Just look at that flip. These are so fluffy. Thumbs up from me too.
And don't forget to like and subscribe or you'll get 10 years of bad luck. Don't escape. Just don't.
Vader says too.
I'm sorry.
Darth Vader says too.
Don't curse the
Darth
viewers, please.
Vader
Don't curse the viewers.
Darth Vader says. And Darth Maul and Darth Sidious.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.